Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, in the pound yen monthly, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 3, and if that is the case, then we are very likely now in a corrective wave 4, which you have to keep in mind may last 6-8 months or more before it actually starts a new uptrend for a wave 5. I think the 50% Fibonacci retracement is a likely target for this wave 4. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this whole move down as a wave A. At some point, whether it does it now, it could potentially just keep on going down, or whether it's going to do it, pretty much now, this week or something. At some point, it should make a wave B and then potentially back down for a wave C. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it just looks like one, two, three waves up and pulse it down, and potentially it could just keep going down. So if it never breaks structure to the upside, then definitely do not start looking for longs, but instead just continue to look for shorts every chance you get. But I also see the possibility of this being like a wave A, this being one, two, three waves down, expanding flat wave B, and potentially it turns back up and makes a wave C, and this is all at A, B, C, or B, and this is the wave A, just like that ABC that I was showing on the higher time frames. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have two possibilities. Either this is an A, B, C expanding flat, and this is going to go up, break structure, and go start a pretty big uptrend for a wave B, like I showed on the daily. Second scenario is that this is actually the end of an ABC right here. This is going to make a lower high, and just keep on trending down, continuing to make those lower highs. So, for me, until this breaks structure, or if it doesn't break structure, I would continue to look for shorts. It may just keep on going down. If it does break structure, then make a pullback, then heck yeah, I would start looking for buys at the end of every single pullback I see after I have the confirmation with the break of structure to the upside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely still looking for shorts on these sort of time frames because of what I was just explaining. If I see one, two, three waves up, if I see impulsive down, lower high, lower high, lower high, definitely look for shorts. On the other hand, if it does make its way up, if it does break structure, then I'm going to be patiently waiting for a pullback after the break of structure to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So we definitely do have a couple scenarios here, but as long as you pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, you should be trading on the right side of the market. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.